Ladies, it's officially 2025, and let me guess, you're ready to become that girl. You want to glow up, level up, and walk into every room like it's a runway. Well, you're in the right place because today we're talking about how you can max out every single one of your stats and become the best, most attractive version of yourself. So grab your coffee or matcha, whatever vibe you're on, and let's get started. Planning your glow-up journey. First things first, let's talk about setting goals. Glowing up isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good inside out. So, here's my list for a total life glow-up. Waking up early, working out consistently, upgrading my skincare routine, lowering screen time, practicing self-love and journaling. What's on your list? Comment below and let's make 2025 our year.
Bruh.
Morning routine. Glow from within. Let's start with the mornings, because if you win the morning, you win the day. Step 1, wake up early. Trust me, waking up at 6 a.m. feels like you're entering your main character era. After you're up, start your day with skincare. This year, we're not skipping sunscreen, ladies. And if you haven't tried gua sha yet, what are you waiting for? Not only does it make your face look snatched, but it's also super relaxing. Pro tip, do your skincare routine like you're filming a Vogue Beauty Secrets video. It just hits different. Fitness, the secret weapon to confidence. Okay, next up is working out. I know. You're probably thinking, ugh, the gym, but trust me, working out is the ultimate glow-up hack. Start small. Whether it's yoga, walking, or lifting weights, the key is consistency. Oh, and pro tip, watch your favorite Netflix show while on the treadmill. It makes the time fly. You don't have to be perfect, just show up for yourself. And remember, being strong is sexy. Journaling, your mind's glow up. Now let's talk about mental glow-ups, because confidence starts in your mind. Journaling has been a game changer for me. Here's what I do. Brain dump. Write down all the negative thoughts. Trust me, it clears your mind instantly. Gratitude journal, list the little things that make you happy. Like that one time you got a random compliment or the way your skincare smells. It's all about those feel-good vibes. Girls, your mindset is your glow-up foundation. When you're grateful, you glow differently. The physical glow-up. Start with a consistent skincare routine. Cleanse, exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week, moisturize, and never skip sunscreen. For a brighter smile, use teeth whitening kits and visit a dentist regularly for cleanings. Upgrade your hair game with regular trims, nourishing masks, and a haircut that complements your face shape. Keep your nails clean and polished with regular manicures and strengthening treatments for healthy, natural nails. Focus on posture to look taller and more confident. Practice yoga or core strengthening exercises. Stay active with a mix of cardio and strength training to tone your body. Shape your eyebrows to frame your face better and enhance your lashes with a good quality serum. For glowing skin all over, dry brushing can boost circulation and reduce cellulite, while hydrating with shea butter or hyaluronic acid lotions will leave your skin soft and radiant. Revamp your wardrobe with outfits that flatter your body shape and highlight your best features, sticking to colors that enhance your skin tone. Finally, stay hydrated with at least 8 glasses of water daily and fuel your body with a balanced diet rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and healthy fats to glow from within. Building your inner circle. Lastly, let's talk about your network. Who you surround yourself with matters, queens. Find people who inspire you, lift you up, and hype you when you need it. Whether it's joining a gym class, a book club, or even connecting with people online, your vibe attracts your tribe. And trust me, glowing up with your girls hits different. So there you have it, the ultimate glow-up guide for 2025. Remember, glowing up isn't just about looking good, it's about becoming the best version of yourself in every way. You've got this, queen! If you loved this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below your glow-up goals. Let's make 2025 the year we absolutely slay.